Hello, children. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, today I have brought a revision as well as the multiple choice questions for you all from the first stanza of the poem Daffodils by William Wordsworth. Here, in a short while, we will quickly revise the meaning of stanza 1, and then later on in the following slides you will see all the possible multiple choice questions which will be very beneficial for your final exam. You can all go through them and make best use of these. So let's begin. Your first stanza is I wandered lonely as a cloud that floats on high over vales and hills, when all at once I saw a crowd, a host of golden daffodils, beside the lake, beneath the trees, fluttering and dancing in the breeze. Here we will quickly revise the meaning. The stanza describes the speaker's experience of walking alone, feeling disconnected from the world like a cloud floating high in the sky. However, their sense of isolation is interrupted when they suddenly come across a large group of daffodils. The daffodils are described as a host or crowd, and their bright golden color contrasts with the subdued surroundings. The daffodils are personified as they appear to be fluttering and dancing in the breeze. The scene is set beside a lake beneath trees, and the natural setting contributes to the overall sense of peacefulness and beauty. Overall, the stanza portrays the power of nature to bring joy and inspiration to the human spirit, even when one is feeling lonely or disconnected from the world. The image of the daffodils is the symbol of beauty and power of nature, and their presence is able to lift the speaker's mood and bring a sense of connection and wonder. Remember, children, this is for a quick reference, a quick revision for you all. Now let's begin our multiple choice question slides. In the following slides, you will come across five questions based on the first stanza of the poem. I would like all of you to go through these questions. I have also provided the correct answers. Make best use of it. Here is the first slide. You can all go through these questions. Here you get your answers. The next set of five questions from the same stanza, stanza 1. You can all pause the video and go through the questions later on. Check the correct options. Here, five more set of questions. These questions are based mainly on your literary devices or figures of speech that have been used in stanza 1 by the poet. The correct options. Another set of five questions. Children, make the best use of these questions and revise after you complete studying. Here I present another set of correct options. If there is a mistake by chance, you can all write in the comments. Okay, children, thank you for supporting me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel.